This creature might look like a human, but let me tell you, it's anything but ordinary. We wanted to unravel the mysteries of their peculiar ways. Brace yourself, because what we found out will shock you. Unlike other species like cats and dogs, whom humans keep around as pets, these creatures don't seem to acknowledge the presence of humans around them. They also seem to be moving their arms around pointlessly, accomplishing nothing. Not one of our aerospace engineers can figure out why they do this. After close observation, it seems like these creatures have a lot in common to us humans. This particular one just used a porta potty and is leaving in a Tesla. I wonder what the creature looks like while driving. Oh, nice! It seems like we managed to capture that in action too. Oh, look! There it is! They are doing that hand thing again. What does that mean? We really wanted to find out, so we got in the creature's car, and we still have no fucking clue what the hand movements mean. The Gat Neo team followed the creature into a Planet Fitness, truly one of the places of all time, where we see them attempting to work out. There he is, doing the thing again. I mean, at this point, we have to assume they're on something. The Gat Neo bounty hunters continued following this creature to its home, where they placed multiple hidden cameras so we could get a better look at how it lives. What we discovered was that the creatures have a similar behavioral pattern to us humans. They eat, keep pets, relax, and even sleep, just like us. They even seem to neglect the presence of human cubs, and aggravated by the closeness of a human child, the creature lashes out. Low-key, I would have done the same. Maybe. Just maybe. We are not so different after all.